Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We'll present the result of our discussion about the identification of student problems throughout the Aum General. Before that, we will introduce our group members. My name is Lira Mulia Hidayat as moderator and third speaker. And the first speaker is Ririn Vitasari. And the second speaker is Mutia Mezura. And the fourth speaker is Rezi Ahmad Rifai, and the last speaker is Hidayah Fitri. Okay, in this discussion, our explanation about meaning of a general Aum based on the result of group and individual processing. Participant identity is class 10 IPS student 1, and number of participants is 36 students, and administration date is 2 August 2018. So from the result of the Aum general processing table that has been attached, it can be interpreted that, and the first explained by Ririn. To Ririn, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. First materi in the physical and spiritual or GDK problems, which amount to 25 problems. This class had 193 total problems that qualified on average to 21.44%, with an average per student of 5.36. In this problem area, each student chose at least one problem item, and of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 13 item in this problem area. Like this, for serious problem, there are 23 problems in this problem area, with average of 0.63. 2 in the area personal self problem or DPI, which amount to 510 problem. This class had 198 qualified problem, on average being 36.68%, with an average per student of 5.5. In this problem area, each student chose to list one problem item, and of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 13 item in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problem in this problem area, there were 38 problem with an average and 1.05. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Ririn. And the next explanation to Mutia, time is yours.
Okay, thanks moderator. Okay, I will explain about in the field of social relationship or HSO problems, which amount to 35 problems. This class had 194 qualified problems, on average being 15.39%, with an average per student of 5.38. In this problem area, each student choose at least one problem item. And of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 23 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problem, there are 15 problems in this problem area, with an average of 0.41. Therefore, in the file of economic and family or ADK problems, which amount to 10 problems, this class had 40 qualified problems, an average of 11.11%, with an effort per student of 1.11. In this problem area, each student would choose 7 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problem, in this problem area, there are 5 problems with an average of 13. Okay, that's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thanks to Mutia. And the next explanation by me and the 5. In the field of career and work, or KDP problems, which amount to 15 problems, this class had 118 qualifying problems, on average being 21.85%, with an average per student of 3.27. In this problem area, each student choose at least one problem item. And of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who chose 9 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problems, in this problem area, there are 9 problems with an average of 0.25. And the 6, in the field of education and learning, or PDP problems, which amount to 15 problems, this class had 92 qualifying problems, on average being 17.3%, with an average per student of 2.55. In this problem area, each student choose at least one problem item, and of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 7 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problems, there are 15 problems in this problem area with an average of 0.41. Okay, and the next is explained by Rezi. To Rezi, time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. The next will explained by me. In the field of religion, value, and moral problems, or A&M, which amount to 30 problems, this class had 169 qualifying problems, on average being 15.64%, with an average per student of 4.69. In this area, each student costs at least one problem item, and of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who costs 18 items in this problem. Advice for in this area with an average of 0.44. In the area of young relation problem, or and which amount to 20 problems, discussed at 154 qualifying problems with an average of 40.4.27 per student. In this problem, area each student cost at least one problem item. And of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who costs 11 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problems, there are 42 problems in this problem area with an average of 1.16. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Rezi. And the last speaker is Hidayah. To Hidayah, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will continue to discuss from previous of my friend, and then number 9. In the problem area of condition and relationship in the family, which amounted to 25 problems. This class had 127 total qualifying problems to an average of 14.11%, with an average per student of 3.52. In this problem area, each student chose at least one problem item. And of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 9 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problem, there are 15 problems in this problem area with an average of 0.41. The number 10 in the area of free time, which consists of 10 problems. This class has 61 qualified problems, on average being 34.59%, with an average per student of 1.69. In this problem area, each student choose at least one problem item. And of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who choose 9 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problem, that are certain problems in this problem area with an average of 0.36. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks Hidayah. And the best on the 10 problem areas above, which amount to 200 problems, this class had 1,288 qualified problems, on average being 17.88%, with a per student average of 35.77. In this problem area, each student choose at least 8 problem items, and of the 36 students in this class, there is at least one student who chose 91 items in this problem area. Likewise, for serious problems, in this problem area, there are 170 problems with an average of 4.72. Okay, based on the meaning of the result of general processing in this class, is class 10 IPS 1, it can be concluded that there are several counseling services that can be provided both in classical, group, and individual forms. The materials that are appropriate for the provision of this service include, and the first is classical service, explained by Ririn. To Ririn, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Once material classical service atau or classic service for the provision of classical service in class 10 IPS 1 can be priorities for the area of personal problems or DPI, which has a total number of 198 problem with qualification of 36.68%, which in the high hills total number of problem of the 10 existing problems area. The next priority is in the field of social relationship problem, which have a total of 194 problem, which are qualification of uh, 15.39%, which is the second highest total number of problem after personality sub or DPI. Furthermore, for the dear priority, namely in the 5 of psychical and spiritual problem, which have a total of 163 problems, which are qualification of 21.44%, person. Based on the problem item in class 10 EPS 1, total 36 students and 26 on the have problem related to problem number 20 uh, 20, and that's was classical service can be profit. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks, Rilin. And the next is group services. By explain by Hidayah. Hidayah, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will explain a group. The provision of group service can be seen based on the meaning in each problem area that has been described. That way, a group can be formed whether it is providing group guidance service with task topic, group counseling, or through sociometry. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks, Hidayah. And the next is individual service. By explain Rezi. Rezi, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Next, explained by me about individual service. For individual service, it can be examined from the AUM result of individuals who have the most problem as a whole or have the most problem seen from serious problem. As already said, from AUM initial IDA, the AUM process product have the high number of overall problem compared to his classmates. That way, individual service relate to solving the problem and be provide be required from some of the serious problem item first. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Rezi. And the next is service material, explained by Mutia. To Mutia, time is yours.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for the. Okay, explain about by me the service material that can be found. It's based on the result of general processing in class seperti PS1 SMA Negeri 3 Padang, including one classical service material. Point 1, become a person with character. Point 2, tips for building good communication. Point 3, your concept. 2, group material. Point 1, the rule of your in building social relationship. Point 2, build confidence. Point 3, clean and healthy lifestyle. 3, individual counseling service. Individual counseling service is a service that allows students to get direct face-to-face service or individually with a supervisor to discuss and avoid the problems they face and their development. The 4, consultation service. Consultation service is a service that helps students and other parties in gaining insight, understanding, and method that need to implement in dealing with student condition and or problem. The 5, learning service. Learning service are services that allow students to develop good learning attitudes and habits in mastering learning materials or competence mastery that are stable for their own speed, and it as well as various aspects of goals and others learning activities with the aim that students can develop learning attitudes and habits. The good one, learning survive, function for development. That's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thanks Mutia. That's all from our groups. And sorry for my mistake, for our mistake. And thanks to attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.